Radhe Radhe, Happy Buddha Purnima. On the auspicious occasion of Buddha Jayanti, it is important to discuss about what we can learn from Bhagwan Buddha in our life. In Bhagavad, Ved Ji clearly mentions that Bhagwan Buddha is one of the descendants of Bhagwan Vishnu. But do we know that he is also the preacher, the first preacher of bhakti or devotion? Some may object, saying that his philosophy doesn't accept the existence of God. Then how can he be the preacher of devotion? Or how can he preach devotion? Well, during the period of dissension of Bhagwan Buddha, there was a lot of violence in the name of bravery, in the name of territory extension, ritualism, and so on. People were over indulged in ritualism, misinterpreting the word Bali with animal sacrifice for the fulfillment of own personal desires. So, it was necessary to teach the basics of devotion. See, a teacher who wants to teach algebra to a student. To teach algebra, the student should have knowledge of arithmetic first. So for the student who has no knowledge of arithmetic at all, the teacher would simply teach arithmetic first in order to prepare him to teach algebra. Similarly, in order to practice devotion, one has to develop the required qualities first. Bhagwan Buddha did the same. He preached the basics for devotion. Lord Buddha established the philosophy of Panchasil. The Panchasil is 5 precepts, the 5 promises one should take and practice. Prohibition from killing, prohibition from theft, fraud, forgery, prohibition from adultery and sexual misconduct, prohibition from falsehood, lying, using harsh words, prohibition from intoxicating things. When one practices these 5 precepts, then one's mind will be purified to some extent. Then only one can practice devotion. The Panchasila are like the foundation of devotion. One may observe demolizing the pre-existing old structure excavation or digging, which may appear as destruction to the one who don't know about construction. Then the foundation for a new building is laid. Without all this, a building cannot be constructed. Similarly, without the good qualities of Panchasila, establishment of devotion would not be possible. Thus, Bhagwan Buddha is first preacher of devotion of the age of Kali. On the auspicious occasion of Buddha Jayanti, let's contemplate on the teaching of Bhagwan Buddha भगवान बुद्ध की जय।
जय जय श्री राम।